This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Free Fire lagging, slowing on iPhone issue. So whenever you play the Free Fire game, you are facing the lagging or FPS dropping issue. Follow these simple steps to fix this problem. The first solution is turn off auto download resources. Open your Free Fire app and tap on the settings. Select the basic tab and here disable auto download recommended resource. Once done, clear cache by tapping on clear cache. Confirm. And the second solution is select the display tab and graphic, select standard, high FPS, select normal, and then here select network and enable network optimization. Confirm. Then check the issue. And the third solution is offload the Free Fire app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, tap on Free Fire, offload app again, and then reinstall it from here and then check the issue. The next solution is enable background app refresh. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, General, tap on background app refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then check the issue. And the last solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, then free up your iPhone storage by offloading or uninstalling some unnecessary apps, or you can delete unnecessary photos from your iPhone Photos app. And after doing this, hope your Free Fire lagging issues will be solved. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minutes Solution. See you in the next video.